Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create a tag in your OneNote app on your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily create a tag to your OneNote app. Here are the process. Launch OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. OneNote app is now open. Here go to your page and choose where you want to create a tag. Keep the cursor where you want to keep or create a tag, and from the top menu bar go to home, and here you will find the option tag. Click on a small arrow and here click on tag and choose a tag which you want to create. All pages and sections here available. Choose as per your choice. So select it and you can see it tag is created here. Assign a name, quick edit, to do priority list here available. If you want to remove it, simply click on remove and your tag will remove. So you can easily create a tag in your OneNote app. To do tag also available here. Simply keep the cursor here and choose to do. Assign a name. If you want to remove, simply you can remove here. So you can easily create a tag or to do tag from top menu bar in your OneNote app. You can also choose find tags. If you want to find any tags, then click on find tags and search for this tag, and you can see all your tags will visible here. All tag summary will also visible here from the right side of menu bar, and you can also group tag from here. That's all.